Hi guys, I bet $1 million that almost everyone has seen that viral shoulder crack, right? Well, let's break it down and show you what's really happening. So that sound that you hear is not your bones, it's actually gas being released from the joint capsule. The key is precision is never force, but you also want to be careful. Not all cracks are created equal. If the alignment isn't properly addressed, you could be masking a deeper issue. Now, at Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic, we don't just guess. We analyze the structure and use targeted adjustments to relieve pressure and restore function. If you've seen a viral crack but you're still in pain, let's do it the right way. Book your next appointment today by visiting synergyoviedo.com.